Hi everybody, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day so far. Today we're going to be doing an experiment to see if oranges sink or if oranges float. I'm going to show you what you need for this experiment, then you can pause me, go wash your hands, collect your goodies and come back. Alright. For today's experiment we need 2 glass jars or 2 glasses, whatever you guys have at home. You need a cloth to mop up any spills that might happen. Then you need 2 oranges. You need 1 orange with its skin on and 1 orange with its skin off. You can ask your mommies and daddies to help you if you can't manage, but I'm sure you can try. And then the last thing we need is a jug of water. So quick sticks, go wash your hands, get your things, and I'll see you now. Great, welcome back everybody. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to fill our 2 jars with water. Got to use gentle hands. And if you spill, it's okay, you have the cloth to mop up. Oopsie. Alright, so now we're going to, I've filled this too much, I'm just going to pour in very carefully this side. There we go. So you can see them nicely. So now we're going to pop our oranges very gently into the water to see which one floats and which one sinks, or if they both float or if they both sink. Look, that one is floating. Can you see? Floating means that it's on the top of the water. Now let's have a look at this one and see, the one without the skin. Oh my goodness, it sank. It's at the bottom of the jar. So 1 orange floats, 1 orange sinks. Do you know why? An orange with its skin on keeps air inside the orange. So just like a bicycle tire, if you get a hole in your tire, it lets all the air out and then your tire goes flat. The reason the orange without the peel sank is because the skin isn't there to keep the air inside the orange, so the water goes all over and between the orange and it makes it heavier in the water, which is why it sinks. So please, can you go test this? Tell me what you find. Taste it with different fruits to see if it makes a difference. You can use a lemon or a lime. They both have peels, or a grapefruit. They both have peels on the outside and a citrus on the inside. I hope you guys have enjoyed today, and I look forward to doing some more experiments with you. Have a wonderful day.